There are several key course videos beyond the basic lecture recordings to include in an online course. Each of these can contribute to connections with students and provide an engaging instructional experience. In this video, I'd like to share an idea for how you can create a customized template in Camtasia, so you can quickly build and share a weekly check-in style video, or any video for that matter, with your students. The end product will look something like this, but with your customized information, logo, color scheme, and of course, your video. What I'm not going to cover in this video is how to create or record a new video with Camtasia. We have other tutorials available that can help you with recording, and you'll find links to a couple of those tutorials below. Let's start in the Camtasia 2020 editor and go to File, New Project from Template. If this is your first time in the Template Manager, you'll probably only see one default template. To add more, click Download More Templates to be taken to the TechSmith Assets for Camtasia webpage. There are many free assets you can download, along with some available if you have a subscription. We have some new free education templates, so just type in education to search for them. Mouse over any of the thumbnails to see a preview of what the template looks like. For this example, I'm going to use this basic lecture capture template. So I'm going to click on the Open in Camtasia button, and the template will be added to my template manager. Select the template and then click New from Template. Track 1 now has an intro callout, an outro callout, and a placeholder for your screen recording. Each of these are customizable, so let's start with the intro callout. Position the playhead over the intro and click to select the callout to see the quick properties appear on the right. Enter new titles for the type of video you are creating. If you have a logo that you'd like to use, click the X to remove the current logo and then click Import File to select the new logo. Next, adjust the color scheme. I personally like to use the eyedropper to select colors from the logo or other visible colors on the screen. Now, to help make your life easier later, check this out. Click the Theme menu and select Manage Themes. Click the plus button to create a new theme and give it a name. Customize the colors by using the eyedropper to match the foreground, background, and accent colors. Click Fonts to choose a favorite font that you'd like to use. Then, click Logo and browse to import a logo for your theme, but of course, it's optional. Click Save, and this new theme is now available. Let's try it out with the outro callout. Position the playhead over the callout on the timeline, and make sure to select the callout so the quick properties are visible. Click the Theme drop-down menu and select the newly created theme, and everything should automatically update to match the intro. It looks like the logo didn't update, and if this happens for you, no worries. It's an easy fix. There we go. Update the text however you'd like. And now it's time to save this template so that it's ready to use for all new weekly check-in videos. Here's a quick tip. Position the playhead to display what you'd like the thumbnail of the template to be before you save it. From the File menu, select Save Project as Template. Give it a name and click OK. Let's start a new blank project by going to File, New Project from Template. Select the template and click the New from Template button. You may get prompted to save changes to your previous project, but I'll click No since I don't need it any longer. The new customized template opens and is ready for you to add your screen recording. If you still need to record your video, click the Record button to open the Camtasia recorder. Then, open what you want to capture in your recording. For example, I have a few PowerPoint slides that I update each week for my weekly check-in videos, so I'll go ahead and get those ready. As I mentioned earlier, I'm not going to walk through the actual recording process in this tutorial, but look for links in the description below to other tutorials to show you how to record with Camtasia. Let's navigate back to the Camtasia editor, and I'm going to show you how to add a recording I created earlier to the placeholder on the timeline. The first way is to just click and drag the media and hover for a second over the placeholder until it highlights green. Let it go and choose Ripple Replace from the context menu. This will automatically resize the placeholder to fit the media that you added. Here's a quick tip. Let me undo this, and if dragging the media to the placeholder is a little tricky, click to select the placeholder, and then right-click on the media in the media bin or library and select Replace Selected Media on Timeline, Ripple Replace. This will give you the same result as dragging it. You can still make any edits like trimming out mistakes, adding animations to move, hide, or show the webcam, add callouts, and more. You can now share your video to a cloud destination or choose a local file and export an MP4 that you can share however you'd like. The really nice thing about putting forth the extra time and effort to create this template is that next week, when you are creating that next weekly check-in video, you can open the template and edit the intro to week 5, drop in the new screen recording, and it's ready to share. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. I wish you the best with your course videos, and please reach out if we can help. Thanks.